Good morning, children, and let's start our EVS class. So, children, today's date is 16th of June 2020, and what were we doing? We finished our lesson number 3, that is my body, and we have finished everything, the explanation about the various body parts we have finished, and now we'll do, children, the workbook. So, children, you please take out your workbook and put your headphones, as I'll be discussing the question answers. You look at the workbook, children, and you will try to answer yourself also, and also you listen to what I am explaining and the answers that I'll be giving. Okay, children? So, children, please take out your workbook. Okay? Yes, take out your workbook of lesson number 3. Okay, so shall we start? So, children, first we'll be doing workbook discussion of lesson number 3. Okay, so let's start with the first question. What is the first question we have? We have the first question as multiple choice questions. In your book you can see multiple choice questions we have, and it's given multiple choice questions as the 3 main parts of a body are, yes, which are the 3 main parts of a body? It's number A, trunk, arms and legs. Number B, head, trunk and limbs. Number C, face, hair and forehead. And number D, shoulder, chest and stomach. Yes, it's number B, head, trunk and limbs. Then number 2, which of these is not a part of the arm? There are 4 options are there. Which of these are not a part of the arm? Knee, fingers, wrist, hand. Yes, knee, because knee is present in the legs. Then, children, we have fill in the blanks. Number 3, you can see here, dash is the middle part of the body. So which is the middle part of the body? It's trunk. Then number 4, dash, limbs are our arms and legs. So which one it will be? Limbs are our arms and legs. Okay, children? So, children, now we do number 5, which is very short answer questions. And what it's given there, the question, name any one part of the body. You can write any part. You can write face, eyes, ears, nose, but you'll have to write only one part. Then the next question, name the part of the body circled in the picture. Now this circle, which part does it shows? It shows the part of the arm, that is elbow. Okay, then children, we come to question number 7. Okay, so what is there in question number 7? It's given, children. The question is given as which, look at the picture of the boy given below. Draw a circle to show where his stomach is. So in your book, you will have to draw a circle where the stomach is, and you'll have to draw the circle here as it's drawn here. Okay, children? So next we come to question number 8. It's given, circle the correct word. So you have to circle the correct word, and it's given teeth, eyes, ears help us to chew food. So you'll have to circle teeth. The number 9, nose, mouth, neck help us to eat and speak. So which part of the body help us to eat and speak? It's mouth. Then we have number 10, trunk, head, mouth holds all our body parts together. It will be trunk. Then we have number 11, hands, legs, nails protect the tips of our fingers. The correct answer will be nails. Then, children, we come to the next question, which is question number 12, and it's given, label the following parts of the body. So you'll have to label these parts. Head, it's given. Then trunk, you'll have to write in the blank, head here, trunk here, and the limbs you'll have to write here. Okay, children? So, and these also will be the limbs. And one more question is there, that is question number 13. How do our hands help us to eat, write and hold? Okay, our hands help us to eat, write and to hold things. We come to the next question, children, which is question number 14. And what's written there? It's written, what will keep our body parts clean? By doing what keeps our body parts clean? It's number B, taking a bath daily. Then we have question number 15. Yes, children, and what's given there in question number 15 is given, choose the odd one out. Which is the odd one out? Children, it's number D, which is given, do not eat healthy food. Then we come to question number 16, and here it's given, to short answer, to take care of our body we should drink. Yes, a blank is there, you'll have to write there milk. Then drink lots of water. Then you'll have to think and tell, brushing teeth, combing hair. Then children, we come to question number 18, which is the last question, children, and you'll have to fill the colored boxes to complete the names of the body parts. So you'll have to fill the colored boxes. It's given A, L you'll have to write, and the complete word will be nail. Then O, S you'll have to write, and the complete word will be torso. Then again S you have to write, and the complete word will be nose. Then Y you have to write, then the complete word will be eye. Then children, again you'll have to write A, and then the word will be complete, it will become ear. So children, with this we come to the end of lesson number 3. After this video, I'll be uploading the answers of this lesson. You'll write it in the workbook, in the book itself, okay, in the workbook itself. Okay children, I'll be sharing the answers and you'll write it in the workbook itself. So I hope it's clear. So children, let's proceed to the next lesson. And what is the next lesson? All of you take out the textbook. Yes, what is our next lesson? That is lesson number 4. Our next lesson is lesson number 4, which is things around us. Yes children, it is things around us. Okay, can you find in your book lesson number 4? It's given things around us. So all of you take out this page, which is things around us. Okay children, and in this lesson what will we learn? We'll learn about things which are around us. We'll learn about the living and non-living things. We'll learn about finding living and non-living things around us, and natural and man-made things. These are the 4 things we will study in this chapter. Okay children, so let's proceed. So the name, with the name lesson 4, it's given things around us. So children, what do you understand by things? There can be many things, okay, like your pencil box, your children, your clothes, when you sit in the drawing room, the sofa, the center table, the various showpieces. When you go to your bedroom, the table lamp, the light, the fan, the curtains, the windows, the bed, the study table, your books, everything children are the various things, and they are around us, they are nearby us. Okay children, so let's proceed. What are these things? Why they are so special to us? Okay, we'll learn about some very special things about these things. Okay, we'll learn about some very important features about these things, okay, which are around us. So children, we come to the next page, okay, and children, here you can see in the next page, you turn to the second page of the book, and you can see here the various things which are shown here: table, dog, people, book, tree, shoe. Then children, I think here it's given water, again water is shown, fish is shown, then soil. So children, these are the various things. Not only these things, but many things are around us. These are some things which are shown in the book, but there are so many things around us, we all know. Okay children, so children, it's given here. Below this picture, you can see in your textbook a very beautiful picture is given, no? Isn't it children? And it's given, they look at the picture given below. Can you name the things you see in the picture? So children, here many things are shown. Okay children, you'll have to name them. Okay, like you can see, this is our children. What is this? This is a water park. Okay, I think you all must have gone to water park. So even if you have not gone, you can see here a picture of the water park. So what are the various things you see? You see people, then you see water boats are there, then water is there, children, an elephant is there, trees are there, then sky is there, children, then roller coaster is there, then children, flags are there, so many things are there, isn't it, children? So can you name these things? Yes, those who can name the things, very good. Okay, children, so now let's go to the next topic. What will we study in this topic? Children will study about the things. Okay, and we'll study two very important things, which is things can be of two types, living things and non-living things. So children will study two very important types of things, which is living things and non-living things. Now what are these living things and non-living things? Okay, children, now living things and non-living things will study about what are these two types of things, how they are different from each other in the next page. So children, take out your textbook and we'll see here, it's given. So I'm showing you a picture of living things. So what are living things? Here is a picture. I won't tell you what are living things, just I'm showing you a picture of living things. Like, what are living things? The people are living things. Horse, bird, fish, insects, then elephant, snake, kitten, then cactus, trees, then potted plants. All these are all pictures of living things. Okay, children, and then we come to the next picture, which is again of living things. Okay, and here what are living things? The pictures are people is there, mushroom is there, flower is there, tree is there, fish is there, dragonfly is there, frog, bird. So all these are what? Living things. Okay, then we come to non-living things. And what are these non-living things? Picture, can you see here? Teddy is there, a ball is there, a doll is there, a chair is there, clouds and stars are there, and a skateboard. Okay, children, so these are the pictures of non-living things. Then again I'll show you a picture of non-living things, and you can see a chair, a table, a lamp, and a car. So these are non-living things. Now we'll study what are living and non-living things. Okay, children, so what are living and non-living things? It's given here, children. What are living things? Living things breathe. Okay, so children, things which can breathe, like I am breathing, I am taking the breathe in, I am then taking the breathing out, I am breathing in, breathing out. So things which can breathe are called living things. The first very important thing, that things which can breathe are living things. Then number two, living things need food and water to live. So children, now I have shown you the pictures of living things. Like, what were the pictures of living things? People were there, then fish was there, tree was there, animals were there, insects were there, birds were there. So these living things, they need food and water to live. Like we need food and water to live. Animals, birds, plants all need food and water to live. So you can see here, children, a picture is shown of living things need food and water. Okay, children, now let's proceed. Then you can see, children, here it's given, living things grow from small to big. Okay, so living things, they don't remain the same size. Now children, you were baby, then you became a little big, then you are now at this stage, and after that you will again grow. You will grow much taller and taller. You can see first a baby is there, then a boy is there, then a young boy is there, then a man is there. Similarly, you can see, okay, the puppy has grown from little pup to a very big puppy. Similarly, plants also, you can see from a tiny plant it has grown to a little big plant. Okay, so living things, they grow from small size, they grow to a big size. Then children, the fourth important characteristics of living things is, what is? Living things can move. Yes children, living things can move. A bird can move, an animal can move, we can move. Here a picture of a boy running is showing, okay, is being showed. So children, living things move. Then number 5, living things give birth to young ones. So living things, they give birth, okay, to young ones. A puppy gives birth to young pup, a kitten gives birth, human beings give birth. So living things give birth to younger ones, okay, give birth to babies. Okay, so children, now we all have now understood what are living things. Living things are those things which can breathe, which can grow from small to big, and children, which needs food and water to live. Okay children, which can move. Okay, so these are living things. Okay, now we'll study children about non-living things. Okay, what are non-living things? Which things are called as non-living things? Now non-living things, as I have shown a picture children, you can see a picture. Okay, here a picture of a chair is there, table, then children a picture of a lamp and car is shown. Now these 4 things, let me consider these 4. Do they eat or drink? No, they do not eat or drink. Do they breathe? Do not breathe. Number 3, do not move. Number 4, do not grow from small to big. And number 5, do not give birth to young ones. So non-living things, what are the special characteristics? They do not breathe. Okay, they do not breathe, they do not eat or drink, they do not move. Of course a car can move, but we have to, what we have to do, we have to put the key on, then only a car moves, but not by itself. They do not grow, they do not grow from small to big. Non-living things, their shape remains same. A chair remains of the same size. Okay, a table also remains the same size. They never grow from small to big. Okay, and they never give birth to children or babies. They don't give birth to babies. So understood children, which are living things and which are non-living things. Okay children, so here again a very important characteristics has been shown between a living thing and a non-living thing. So in order to understand a living thing and non-living thing, in your book a very important chart has been shown. Breathe, living thing, yes. Non-living, no. Eat and drink, living thing, yes. Non-living, no. Grow, yes. Living thing, yes. Non-living thing, no. Move, living thing, yes. Non-living thing, no. And number 5, give birth, living thing, yes. Non-living thing, no. So children, we'll stop till here. I hope it's very much clear to you. What did we study today? We first we discussed the workbook question answers of lesson number 3. Then we have started lesson number 4, which is things around us. There are so many things around us, and we studied about the very 2 important things, which is living and non-living things. Living things are those things that can breathe, move, then they can eat and drink, they can grow from small to big, and they give birth to babies. But non-living things are those things which cannot breathe, which don't eat, and neither do they drink. They don't grow from small to big, then they don't move from here to there by themselves. We have to lift them, and then only they can move. We can lift them and we can put it in another place, then only they move. Then they don't give birth to children. So I hope, children, it's clear to you. Okay, children, so we'll stop till here, and please read the lesson. A little bit is left. I'll discuss it in the next class. Okay, children, so till then, take care and have a good day. Bye bye.